Imagine the satisfaction of harvesting your own shiitake mushrooms right from your living room. Here's how it's done in 4 simple steps. First, treat the substrate, which can be straw or wood chips, with heat or lime to kill off any competing organisms. Next, it's inoculation time. Pack the treated substrate into plastic tubes and introduce the mushroom spores. The tubes act like mini greenhouses, perfect for mushrooms to grow. Now, patience is key. Wait for about 3 weeks. During this time, the spores will colonize the substrate. Once colonization is complete, it's time to bring the mushrooms into fruiting conditions. This involves adjusting the temperature, light, and humidity to mimic the natural environment of shiitake mushrooms. Finally, the moment of truth, harvesting. Pluck the mature mushrooms and enjoy the fruits of your labor. But remember, after harvesting, let the bags rest before the next fruiting. This rest period is crucial for the health of your shiitake mushrooms. So there you have it, growing shiitake mushrooms indoors, a gratifying experience that brings the magic of nature right into your home.